Hey guys, this is Brandie with the Mathison-Klein Group at Keller Williams Realty. It's been a little while since I gave you guys an update on our farmhouse renovation, so I'm going to give you guys a quick little tour and let you guys know where we're at right now and the obstacles that we've come into. So stay tuned. All right. So it's a little bit dark in here. Currently right now, some of the things that have been done is they have ripped out this tile flooring and they have replumbed, and currently right now they are in the process of rewiring the entire house. So that's why it's so dark in here right now, because they are midstream. You can see they had to cut some of the wood pieces in order to do the rewiring. There's different holes in the drywall, and I'm not going to take you through the whole house because that would be a little bit boring. But we also have successfully been able to rip out the kitchen and both bathrooms. So you can see here, this is the current condition of our kitchen. The good news is that we are rewired and replumbed. So we have two main things that are done. Our bathroom vanities just arrived today. So we got those inside. This is the downstairs bathroom. When they were pulling down the walls and different things like that, they literally found like 4 layers of exterior walls and no insulation. The toilet is there temporarily just so that we can have something to use in the meantime. So we are going to be getting some insulation in the house because the whole house does not have insulation. So this right here is going to be our new bathroom. So this is actually going to be a wall right here. And I'll take you guys through. I don't know if you guys remember, but there was like a half wall with a door right here. So we opened that up. And now we've got a nice big master. And then this is going to be the shower. There's going to be a vanity there. Over there is going to be our water closet. If you remember, there was kind of like a half bathroom right there before. And then the other vanity where that box is going to be right there. So it's going to be a little bit of a larger bathroom instead of a 1.5 bath. It's just going to be a full size bathroom that has a little bit more functionality to it. So I wanted to just really kind of talk about some of the other things that we've got going on. We've really been letting the contractor take care of everything on the inside. Aside from me, picking out the selections, I've picked out like the cabinets and the tiles and different things like that, while we've just really been letting the contractor and the vendors really kind of do their thing inside. We've had a ton of things to do outside, which, if I'm being honest, I really haven't done much. It's really been my husband and our boys and our son-in-law. They've all been amazing at helping us through. I think that one of the things that we knew that it was going to be a lot of work taking care of the outside. It's just been super hot and muggy, and not actually living in the house yet. We've got to drive up and take care of it every day, and so that's just been kind of a thing. I have also been doing quite a bit of research on being able to locate a herd of cows. So we are actually in the process of getting some Scottish Highland cows. They're miniature cows that are about a third to half the size of regular size cows. So we're going to be breeding those. And so we've been spending some time doing a lot of research and really kind of identifying some farms and breeders that we would like to be able to do business with. So I took a trip out to Missouri, and that was quite fun. Got to identify our first small herd that we are purchasing, and we also are going to be getting a bull that is coming from Virginia. So we'll be getting the delivery on him the end of August. So we have needed to do a lot of preparations on the land. So I'll show you what we've been doing. When I say we, I mean my husband and the boys. I've just been a nice little cheerleader. This is definitely adventure as we go, and if you would like to follow us with our progress on the farmhouse and on our endeavor in owning cows, please feel free to subscribe to our channel, and we update new videos every Thursday.